I want to show you an AI automation that I built last week for my business. This is a theater outreach automation for my event production company. Whenever I want to book theaters for the new shows, this workflow sends personalized emails to all the theaters in Frankfurt, automatically follows up with them, and calls after 48 hours to the venues who haven't replied to the emails. Before I built this, I was manually operating every step, finding the venues, writing each mail personally, and following the emails individually for every single show. Hi, my name is Nitya Babu. I am a data analyst and co-founder of NRW Events, which is a live event production company in Germany. And from a while, I am teaching myself AI automations completely from scratch and documenting every step on this channel. This is video 1. Let me tell you why I am doing this. In NRW Events, for the last 4 years, we have hosted almost all the biggest Indian stand-up comedians to perform here in Germany. I handle the entire digital side of the business. I built a website from scratch. I manage Instagram, filming, editing, writing. I handle all the venue outreaches, finding theaters, emailing them, and following up with them, and also confirming the logistics. And for every single event, I was doing this manually, updating the WordPress websites when a new show goes live and taking it down once the event is over. And here's the part that makes me laugh now. I work in tech, I am an engineer, and I understand how systems work. I just never turned that knowledge toward solving my own problems. This is the honest reason this channel exists. Not because I already know everything about AI automation, but because finally I got tired of knowing how technology works in theory and doing everything manually in practice. So 3 weeks ago, I started learning these tools properly. And the first thing I built was the venue outreach workflow you saw at the start of this video. So, what this channel going to be about? It's not going to be a channel where I pretend that I already know everything and you just need to follow along. I am learning in real time and I am going to document it. The things that work, the things that fail completely, the moments where I spend 3 hours on something and then it turns out just to be a wrong setting. Every week, I will build one real automation. Each video will have 3 things: a real problem, the workflow that I built to solve this problem, and what I learned by building this. And alongside, I will explain all the concepts clearly. What is an agent? What is an AI agent? What does automation actually mean in practice? In plain language, without any assumption that you already have a technical background. Because here's who I'm making this for. If you're a business owner doing repetitive work that a machine should be doing, this is for you. If you're a professional who wants to understand AI automation without getting lost through jargons, this is for you. And if you want to watch someone figure this out from scratch, honestly in real time, this is also for you. I'm going to post every weekend, one build fully documented. Here's what the next video looks like. In the next video, I will show you why did I pick n8n over Zapier and Make, how I connected n8n with Claude and built the automation just with a simple chat so that you can also build for your own business. The goal is simple. You will either be able to build automations yourself or you will know exactly what is possible so you can make better decisions about how to use AI in your work or in your business. I'm also doing all this while working full-time. So if you're trying something big alongside a job and a life, you will see exactly what is possible within this constraint. 5 to 7 hours a week, that's the reality. No overnight success stories. Before I go, one last question. Think about the most repetitive things which you do at your work, in your daily life or business right now. The email you write from scratch every time, the data that you move from one place to another by hand, the updates that you make to a spreadsheet after every transaction. Leave it in the comments. Tell me one thing you wished just ran automatically. I read every single comment, and the most common answer becomes the next build on this channel. If your problem gets enough interest, I will build the automation for it on camera and walk you through it. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe and hit the bell. Every weekend, one new build. See you next week.